Okay, I'm about to grab all my ingredients for the KFC chicken. Um, and this is all the 11 herbs and spices. I will link everything in the description. You will need salt, thyme, basil, oregano, celery salt, black pepper, dry pepper, paprika. I didn't really like this too much because I really hate paprika. So I might just put a little bit less in there. Garlic salt, ground ginger, and your ground white pepper. Now, I know the main ingredients on those is I see a lot of black pepper. So they only call for 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Actually, I'm going to put 2 because I actually like black pepper more. So I can control that. Now, usually they're going to call it dry egg powder. And dip in buttermilk and with egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix everything in, and I'm going to dip into buttermilk because it'll be easier, and with my eggs. So I got my buttermilk, and I'm going to do this with corn because corn oil actually smells better. Now some people use vegetable blah blah blah, but that's your choice, of course. So I'm going to pause the video after I mixed everything, and then you can see the next video. Okay, well, I have all the ingredients in, so I'm gonna mix them all together. I hope it's gonna be right. I did put it like I stated because I hate paprika, so I put it a little bit less than what is it called for. Also too, I saw another recipe which just makes it looks like really dark, so I didn't want to make it darker than it's. I see KFC is not dark at all, so hopefully this will be right. Oh, and few mosquitoes, don't forget that. I got 2 so far. So in your ingredients, if you're gonna end up cooking outside, you might get more than 2 mosquitoes. Those are not included ingredients. Alright, so now it's all mixed. And now I'm going to... Oh, I put my buttermilk already, and I mixed the eggs in there. So that's all set. Now I am just gonna bread it. Oh, and also too, don't forget, the chicken has to be folded just like that, like the wing. Fold the chicken just like that. I'm gonna cook the first batch, and then I'm gonna cook the second batch, so it'll be easier. Okay, just continue filming. Now I'm gonna put this in my tray right here. That will be my tray. Okay. Let's do this so I don't have to clean much. And now I'm just gonna dip in here and bread this and try to squeeze a little extra. Whoops. The wing just flew out. I don't know about that one. Okay. Drop it in there. Dip it one hand. Mix with the other one, I guess. That's my best bet. Whoops. Wing fell again. Okay. Thighs, no, legs, should have soaked them all in. Legs. I want to crumble a little bit, so we get a little extra bread in there. I just drop them in there. Dunk it in. Drop them in there. Drop them in there. And drop them in there. Okay. Bread it. I want to arrange it nicely in here. Smells good though. Alright. That's it. One more leg. And I'm gonna prep this and then okay. That's it. That's what it's gonna look like. Right there. Okay. Okay, so we got the temperature up to 325 and about 350, and we're cooking it outside because I don't trust myself cooking inside with this stuff. So now I'm just gonna drop it in. It's in a nice container like this, and it's easy to drop in. Okay, here we go. Now we just have to time it. Probably need some kind of splash proof. Too bad I don't have anything splash proof. Okay, it's cooking really good. And I only filled it up to halfway because I'm going to do 2 batches. I don't want to do them, you know, I'm going to do 1 at a time. The only thing I didn't get on this is the breast because they sell that separately. So I got everything else except the breast, and I didn't want to buy the breast separately, and then I would have to bread it. So I kind of configured that pretty much it'll fit. If you look at it, it'll fit nicely on there. You see that? So that's for how I configure it. Yeah, shadows. Anyway, I guess gonna have to leave it here for let it cook, and then once it's almost done, I would take it out. Okay. Okay, this is the first result of my chicken. It looks pretty good. Let me see. Mosquitoes getting me like crazy, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna taste one of these. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like a little burnt right there, but I would say because it's not cooked in a pressure cooker, I would say this is like, does it taste like a KFC? But the batter is pretty good though. I actually like the batter. What else I can say? Even when it's burnt, it tastes a little crispy. It tastes like crispy, crispy chicken, more like it. Does it taste like original? No. I would say probably a little more spicy. You would get the spicy the spicy kind. So if you add pepper, cayenne pepper to this, I think you would succeed a spicy KFC style chicken. Pretty juicy, and it tastes pretty good. And mosquito is getting me like crazy. Other than that, I guess that's about it. Yeah, it does taste the flavor almost like it. But if you put cayenne pepper into this, I think you would make the spicy chicken one. But the batter seems to be okay. This is not, definitely won't reach the original recipe, especially when it's cooked in under pressure. Since this is cooked out in the open, so it is crunchy. The batter is not as, maybe I didn't put it long enough. That was the thing. But overall, the batter becomes pretty good. It's not salty at all. It's about right. So anyway, that's about it on this video, and I hope you would try it. I'll link everything. I'll put every ingredients I put in the description. And I did put paprika less because I don't like it, but you can put a little bit more if you want to. I just didn't. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but it tastes pretty good though. I actually like the batter. Other than that, that's about it. It's really moist. I forgot. It is really moist. It's not dry whatsoever. So I give it an A- for this recipe. Other than that, that's about it, and I hope you would take it and give it a try. Okay.